guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be making some really cute DIY slimes and squishies. Also, it's been like a really long time since I've made a squishy from scratch, so I'm like really excited about this video and I hope that you guys enjoy watching it. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. But before we get started, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments, and if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next video. With that all being said, let's get started with the DIYs. Alrighty guys, so for the first DIY, I'm going to show you how to make a super magical unicorn inspired slime. I have my bowl here in which I'm going to pour 1 cup of white glue. Next, to give it color, I'm going to add some blue food coloring. I'm now going to mix that together. I want this to be a very airy and lightweight butter slime, so I'm going to add some shaving foam, and then I'm also going to add some body lotion into it. I'm going to mix this together and then I'm going to go ahead and activate it like normal. After activating the slime, I went ahead and added in some Daiso clay, and this is really going to make the slime super airy, lightweight, and just fluffy. Using the same exact recipe, I made a pink colored butter slime and then a purple one. We have all 3 of our slimes. Now for the unicorn. I want this to look like a unicorn inspired milkshake. So here I have a clear cup on which I'm going to draw a set of closed eyes using acrylic paint. So you know how like these milkshakes have like a rim of sprinkles on the cup? I wanted to do the same thing. So here I have some clear glue and I'm gonna pour the cup into the glue, take it out, and then I'm going to dip it into the sprinkles. Once that's done, you want to let the cup dry for at least 2 to 3 hours so that the sprinkles stay put. While that's drying, I decided to make the horn. So here I have some gold polymer clay, which I'm going to roll out, cut into 2 pieces, and then I'm going to swirl both of the pieces together to make the horn. Once you're happy with the shape, you want to let this bake in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now that we have all of our elements, it's time to put this together. I'm going to take all 3 colors of the slime and kind of like swirl them together, and I'm going to just pop that into the cup. For the whipped cream, I actually made a slightly thicker version of the same butter slime, which I'm going to add on the top. And then we are going to finish it off with the horn, and I'm also going to add some sprinkles. And here is the unicorn milkshake slime all completed. I love the way it turned out. It looks so cute and very realistic in my opinion, especially with like the sprinkles around the rim. Okay, so next I'm going to be making a cat donut squishy. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but we kind of have a food theme going on, like the unicorn milkshake slime and then the cat donut squishy. Anyway, to make your squishy, you're going to need memory foam, and I bought this memory foam pillow from Walmart. You can also find similar pillows from Amazon. Using a pen, I'm going to draw out the outline for the donut. So I made a circle, and then I'm going to make 2 ears. And now, using my pair of scissors, I'm going to start cutting this out. Whenever you're making a squishy, the best thing that I found is that you want to cut in little snips. Don't cut too much at a time, or else it's going to be really hard for you to like even it out, if that makes any sense. Because this is obviously a donut, you want to make sure that the overall shape is pretty round. Some people may find this part very boring, but I find it very relaxing. Like, I'll just put something on Netflix or on YouTube and I'll just like cut the squishy out, and honestly the time goes by so fast. Now that I'm happy with the overall shape, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the donut hole. So first you wanna kind of like mark it down so that it's kind of centered, and then you can go ahead and start cutting it out. We have our squishy, and now it is time to start decorating. So to get that beige color, I'm going to be using white, brown, and yellow fabric paint, and I'm gonna mix all 3 of these colors together so that I get a nice donut base color. Using a popsicle stick, I'm gonna go ahead and start coloring the squishy. Now, I'm gonna leave where I want the icing to be for the donut and just paint the rest. For the icing, you can do pretty much whatever color that you want. I am going to be doing pink. By the way, I did about 2 to 3 layers of the pink just so that I can get like a very nice icing and so that it can also look realistic. Of course, this is a cat donut, so I'm going to use some black fabric paint to add the face. And the last thing you want to go ahead and do is add these sprinkles. And here is the cat donut squishy all completed. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next one.